Welcome to the bird sanctuary. Welcome to my evil lair while I record my secret evil videotape with my evil research. On this date, I have successfully genetically engineered my canary Bobo to do my bidding. What are you doing?
I thought the tape could use some special effects.
Do you have to make everything I do gay?
Oh, be nice.
I'll show you nice, you son of a bitch! Huh. Do you realize what you've done? You've created an evil bird with super intelligence! You fool!
I'm such a klutz, aren't I?
That damn bus it's late every day. What the hell?
No!
Ah, another fine day to sell me pots.
I don't want pots, I want a hamburger. Okay, you little twit. Here's a cheeseburger for you. Open your button so I can put some ketchup on it. Now where did I put my ketchup? What's that white stuff? It's mayonnaise, you stupid child.
No!
Oh, what a very bad day. I lost my business because of that little yellow bastard. I could no longer sell pots. Oh my goodness. Oh my magic pot. How have I wronged you? You see, I have this problem. You know, I have a problem too. I am stuck in a bottle. Are you stuck in a bottle? I did not think so. Today I was slapped by a 6-armed goddess. Oh, ah, eh, oh, ah, eh. That is not a walk in the park, I tell you. I'm very sorry to hear that, but this bird come over to my shop today and it pooped on some little child's burger, and then they thought it was me, so they called the cops, and I am running from the law. Plus, they broke my pots. That is a pretty big predicament. But just 1 second, I have to go to the washroom. God damn it, I pissed on myself! This sign seems very powerful, Magic Pot. I will take your advice and form an alliance with this feathered bastard that destroyed my pots and my pot selling business. Then I will be king, and everybody will bow down to King Tarbosh!
So why did she make a kitty cat this time? Can I name it?
You see, Gary, after your screw-up, I had to genetically engineer a kitty cat to take down Bobo.
Well, at least we all have goals.
We must stop Bobo at all costs, or my name isn't Dr. B. Hackenbush.
And my name wouldn't be Gary Vickers.
That damn bus it's late every day.
So what is the kitty gonna do?
Well, you see, Gary, I'm going to genetically engineer a puppy dog to take down the kitty cat who's taking down Bobo.
Why do you have to make things so complicated?
Shut up, that's why.
So there, Bill, what do you think of this whole situation?
You better not be coming on to me. That's what you said to Mr. Peterson, and then you ended up having sex with him.
Ha ha ha! Right you are, Bill.
Those stinking bastards breaking my butts. I'm going to kick the... Oh my god, it's the bird! This is my chance.
You know, I certainly like this cafe. It has great service and great tasting coffee. Oh heavens! Ah, the coffee's burning my face!
So there, Bill, you heard about that bird that's been pooping on everybody?
You know, Bill, people are pooped on every day by birds. Why is this one any different?
Yeah, it doesn't really make much sense, does it? Holy crap! It's on the news!
A crazed bird has been causing havoc all over town, and police are currently trying to capture the flying beast.
Do you realize what this means?
I think so, Dr. Hackenbush. But where are we gonna find rubber pants our size?
No, you fool! It's only a matter of time before the kitty cat defeats Bobo in a battle of the death!
Super!
Alright, Bill, is everyone in position?
Everybody's in position, but a pedestrian has climbed over the wall and is armed.
What?
Stop your whining! I'm Detective John Kimball! Get down!
In order for me to become king, I have to find that little bastard that broke my butts. Oh my god!
Time to die!
Well, isn't that a crying shame? He only had one more day until retirement.
I never liked him in the first place. Anyway... Alright, men. Time is of the essence. We must get the bird and get out. Everyone fire on my count!
Alright, Gary, this is our chance! Initiate death mode for the kitty cat!
Hello, pretty kitty.
Dude, was that Superman? You're an idiot. Guess what? I actually found rubber pants my size.
Later that night...
Thanks for joining us, America. It appears that the local police have captured the man responsible for the crazed bird that has been terrorizing the town for the past few weeks. We now go live to Lance Martin for the latest information. Lance?
That's right, Shania. I'm here with Detective Peterson about the latest about the crazed bird. Detective Peterson, what can you tell us about this bird? Well, Lance, it wasn't actually a bird. It was a former pot-selling businessman.
God damn it! You cannot be blaming this on me! No, you can't! That was the bird! I am an American! Speak words, hardware!
So there you have it. Another fantastic job done by... Son of a bitch bastard!
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, I'm hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream if only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart.